Hari Om Suswagatam. I welcome you all on this national webinar series, Yoga Ramayana Vishwakosha History, proving the authenticity and history of Ramayana. Very privileged to introduce Dr. Ramachandra Ji Bhatt with us today in this session. He'll be speaking about the Sundarakanda, the forest environment, and the Hanuman's encounter with Sita Mata, as well as the interaction with Sita and Ravana.
वामे भूमिसुत पुरस्तु हनुमान् वामे भूमिसुत पुरस्तु हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वैवाहिकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलम् रामं भजे श्यामलम् आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनम् बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वञ्च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत् यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत Rakshasantakam. That is the real challenge. Every time there will be two opposite mindsets. Sura mindset and Asura mindset. What is that Asura mindset, you know? Do you know? Asu. Asu means body consciousness. Too much slavery. Slavery of sensory consumption, sensory satisfaction. Those who are too much behind sensory satisfaction, asuni ramante, te asura. That is the only very normal understanding of asura. Nothing to do with their crooked shape, or their terrifying, horrifying, nothing. They will be in the form of very gentle person. Now you know asuras. Everywhere we see asuras. Who are asuras? Too much body centered. Every time they take mirror, very particular to show their face, though it is so ugly, using all artificial, China-made cosmetics. Body centered every time. No, beyond body. Man must go. Body centered because body is the center for all animals. For donkey, it is its back. Like that. For bulls, because they have to pull, it is neck there, that is center. Horse, leg is its center, because it has to run. Like that, every animal, they have centers, body-centered centers at the body level, but not we are like that. Ours is the upper chamber, Manisha, Dhishana, Vayam Brahmavaloka Dhishanam. Ours is the Brahmarandra is our center, human center, power center. Through that knowledge percolates in all 72,000 nadis. Blood will be flowing, sun rays will be flowing, so that we have wonderful knowledge funded. That is why Hanuman represents that culture. Buddhi, Balam, Yashaha, Dhairyam, Arogata, Buddhir Balam Yasho Dhairyam, Nirbhayatvam Arogata, Ajadyam, Vakpatutvam. If you are just body centered every time, Jadata, Mudhata, Maudhyam, Jadyam, Mandyam. These will be diseases. When we are body centered. If we think beyond body, supramental, naturally mind will be in the high plane. Always mind will be sublimated so that emotions will be purified. There will be Shamo, Damaha, Tapaha, Satyam, Kshanti, Arjavam. Arjavam means straightforwardness. Jnanam, Vijnanam, Astikyam. Knowledge, scientific knowledge, and pious nature, Astikyam, devotion in God. These are the things embodied in the form of Hanuman. His Gatha, it is Sundarakanda. Now, Hanuman is proceeding further. Samuhurtamiva dhyatva chintavagrithitendriyaha udatishtan mahateja Hanuman marutatmajaha. See, so much troubled by trauma, mental knots, all psychological syndromes, phobia, mania, all were troubling him. Because he developed that feeling, guilty feeling. I traveled through the whole palace of this Rakshasa, Asura. Then he arrived at, just he could instill that original Hanuman, original Anjaneya, Rama Bhakta Bhava. Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Devyai Chatasyai Janakatmajayai Namostu Rudrendrayamanirevbhyah Namostu Chandrarka Marudganebhyah. That is how he offered prayer to all deities in the whole atmosphere, in all 7 layers, Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Swa, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam, all lokas. So he could invoke the same confidence. Buddhir Balam, Yasho, Dhairyam, Nirbhayatvam, Arogata, Ajadyam, Vakpatutvam, all those his strength invoked. These were his strength, centers of strength. All those again he invoked. And with his original personality, stood up, keeping aside all weaknesses, negativity. Dukkha Dormanasya Angamejetva Shwasa Prashwasaha Vikshepa Sahabhuvaha. All vikshepas simply brushed aside and stood again firm. Then just he went around, moving from branches of different trees, from branch to branch, while moving and moving, looking from the sky. Somewhere he saw that wonderful, beautiful garden, Ashokavana. That scenario has drawn his attention. Oh, somewhere it is Ashokavanika Chintya Sarva Samskara Samskrita. That is how Valmiki puts it. Sarva Samskara Samskrita Vatika. Aha, that type of Vatika we have to build up. हैं? सगत्वा मनसा पूर्वम अशोकवनिकां शुभाम उत्तरम चिंतयामास वानरो मारुतात्मजा हैं? हाँ, ध्रुवंतु रक्षो बहुला भविष्यति वनाकुला अशोकवनिका चिंत्या. That is how Valmiki puts it. I am very happy to recite all these shlokas because Adikavi's Sanskrit is so lucid. It is just like Draksharasa. It is as pure as the water of Pampa Sarovara. So transparent and pure water. Ramaniyam Prasanna Ambu. That type of water it is. That is why his Sanskritam, it gives special motivation. Brahma Swayam Bhagavan Devaschaiva Dishantu me Siddhimagnischa Vayuscha Puruhutascha Vajrabhrit Varunah Pashahastascha Somaditya Utathaivacha Ashvinauja Mahatmanu Marutasharva Evacha Siddhim Sarvani Bhutani Bhutananchaiva Yah Prabhu Dasyanti Mama Ye Chanye. See that confidence. All these deities, all these divine power centers around me, Pathi Gocharaha, they are all there to help me because I have taken this divine task to be accomplished. They are all with me. With that, he started moving and slowly, with still more rejuvenated hopes and scopes, started marching ahead. And there he saw. What he saw? What could he see? It is very, very interesting, very, very interesting now. अनेक गंध प्रवहम पुण्य गंधम मनोरमम शैलेन्द्रमिव गंधाढ्यम द्वितीयं गंधमादनम अशोकवनिकायान्तु तस्यां वानरपुङ्गवः सददर्श अविदूरस्थं चैत्यप्रासादमुच्छ्रितं मध्ये स्तंभसहस्रेण स्थितं कैलास Panduram. That is how this description goes there. There he could see Sita Mata. Sita Mata sitting under some tree, surrounded by all Asuris, Asura Mahila. There they are. In their asuric, satanic attitude and behavior and body language, they are there around her. There, Hanuman could see Sita Mata. What is this? Sita Janakatmaja. Sita Dasharatha Snusha. Sita Ramasya Trailokya Pujitasya Sarvatmana Janabhiramasya Janana Hridaye Virajamanasya Patni. Sa Sita, where is now? Aikhalu Vishama Puragratanam Bhavati Jantushu Karmanam Vipaka. Some poet says, this karma paripaka is unpredictable. See what happens. Amurtam kochid bhavet visham. Visham amurtam. That is what great poet Kalidasa says. Kochidapyamrutam bhavet. Vishamapyamrutam kochid bhavet. Amrutam va visham ishwarechaya. So ishwarecha. Everyone has to undergo. Even Ishvara also must undergo. By Ishwarecha, Ishvara took that pot, begging pot, and every day he goes around with that begging bowl. तथापि भिक्षाटनमेव शंभोः बलीयसी केवलमीश्वरेच्छा. That is Subhashitam. Ishwarecha is so strong, even it doesn't leave Ishwara also. Like that Sita Mata, who was there in that great prasada of Surya Vamsha, Rama Prasada. तादृश प्रासादे वसमाना वसन्ति सर्वदा हसन्ति सीता. इदानीं कुत्र वर्तते? घनघोर राक्षस नगर्यां भोगनगर्याम् अशोकवनि वाटिकायां. How she was? Great poet says, संस्कारेण यथा हीनां वाचाम् अर्थान्तरङ्गतम् आम्नायानाम् अयोगेन विद्यां प्रशिथिलामिव. This statement must be properly understood by those who are expert and who are interested to formulate new education policy for future Bharat, Vishwaguru Bharat. That is very, very important now. Here see, Amnayanam Ayogena Vidyam Prashithilam. Education will be Prashithila, it will be a loose structure. If it is not deeply rooted in the Vedic spiritual science. Very clarion call given by Adikavi here. How she was there, Sita was there in Lanka. Comparison is this one. Sita was so sad, so bad there. As that bad education, worst kind of education. Why? Because it has no Vedic touch, no yogic touch. Then if just write some great philosophy, some great Akasha Purana, but if it is not implemented, it is not practically applicable. What is that? Now that is the challenge we have. Already we have that draft with us. Education must not become prashithila. That is the word used. When it becomes prashithila, amnayanam ayogena. No amnaya. Amnaya means Veda. Sarva, all inclusive. All inclusive, highest, purest cognitive treasure, jnana srotaha, that is called Amnaya. Surugya Atharva Rupena Amnaya. So Amnaya, it is meant for three kanda, Jnana kanda, Karma kanda, Dhyana kanda. That is why it is Trayi. It is in the form of meters. It is in the prose order. It is in the music order also. If it is in the meter structure in Anushtup, Drishtup, Jagat, Brahati, it is called Rukha. But if it is in the form of prose, Namah Somaya cha Rudraya cha Namah Stambraya cha Arunaya cha Namah Shangaya cha Pashupataye cha Namah Ugraya cha Bhimaya cha Namo Agre Vadhaya cha Dure Vadhaya cha Namo Hantre cha Haniyase cha Namo Vrikshebhyo Harikeshebhyo Namastaraya Namah Shambhave cha Mayobhave cha Namah Shankaraya cha Maheskaraya cha Namah Shivaya cha Shivataraya cha. See this beauty of prose. How much rhythmical. It is in the prose order. It is Yajus. So, when it is structured in the meters, look, in the prose order, which is structured by great rishis, Mahatmas, outpouring spontaneously, not just by deliberately coining the words and mixing all those verbal, just dawns, no. When it is in the Rathantara Sama, all those ahamannam ahamannado भवन्नादः अहग्गुश्लोककृदहग्गुश्लोककृदहग्गुश्लोककृद. How many thousand modes of Sama? We lost it. Only some countable now. Rukha is Sama. That is why Trai. Atharva also it is Rukha is Sama. That is why it is embedded in the Trai. But the name is Trai. So that Trai is called Amanaya. Without this Trai, touch, Vedic touch, without Karma Kanda, without Jnana Kanda, without Jnana Kanda, our education, whatever science, technology you bring here, make it highly funded. Education will not be proper education, it will not be all inclusive, it will not be for total integrated personality development. Just Annamaya Kosha nurtured culture, it will not be education. Not even just Pranamaya Kosha, so you train them, just you train in 5 type of pranayama, it is not education. Then it must go to Manomaya, Yajna. Manomaya means Yajna. That is its real vital force. Yajna. Then you go to Vijnanamaya Kosha. What is Vijnanamaya Kosha? Rutam. That is important. Saddhai Vashiraha, Rutan Dakshinah Pakshaha, Satyamuttarah Pakshaha, Yogaha Atma, Mahapucham Pratishtha. So that is the main center. Yoga without yoga. Ruta Satya Dharma, education, no. Bereft of yoga. Ruta Satya Dharma, that education, though it is highly scientific, highly user-friendly, highly full of skills, full of vocational training, full of this and that, many, it will not be sufficient. It will not be for human beings. Just you physical training you give, you can give it to all monkeys and donkeys. They will be very well trained in our circus. Like that, just we give some, impart some vocational and skills and all this, wonderful. They are all called Kala. It is not Vidya. Chaturshashti Kala. 64 Kalas are well nurtured, cultured in our great Jnana Parampara, Bharati Jnana Parampara. It is a must. But serve only Kala, no. Without Vidya, if Kala, hopeless. Without Veda, if it is Vidya, that is also hopeless. Vidya Hridya Pisa Avadya Vina Vinaya Sampadam. Vinaya means samskara. Without samskara, without Veda, Amanayanam Ayogena Vidyam Prashithilam Iva Samskarena Yathahinam Vacham Arthantarangata. If we were walk samskara rahita without culturing, then there will be all type of mistakes, misunderstandings. That is how it happens. As you are talking without proper culturing, becomes misleading. So whatever word you use, it becomes uncultured, so that meaning will be otherwise. Then it is not Sanskritam, it is called Vikritam or Prakritam. Sanskritam kartum, samyak kritam kartum, kahapaya, there must be proper training to our mouth. What is the training? It is Yatna, Sthana and Prayatna awareness. Where, in which particular area in our mouth, what that syllable aksharam will be emerging, pronounced by its friction, pranic friction in that particular area inside our mouth. That knowledge, if it is not there, proper Samjna Prakaranam of Siddhanta Kaumadi is not taught, we cannot pronounce Sanskritam. Just by training, no. This awareness is important. So, Sanskritam, cultured, Samskrita vak. Samskare hina, Samskritam na bhavati. like that with so much great quality of Nari Shakti, Mata, Sita, Mata. They are sitting, but she was like this. Amnaya Rahita, Yoga Rahita Vidyavat, Samskar Rahita, Vachanavat, she was there. These are the similes. Adi Kavi giving. We have to understand all these things with proper insight. Only if we study under some proper guru, it is easy to. Otherwise, half knowledge is very dangerous. Half Sanskrit knowledge also very dangerous. Without proper Vyakarana Jnana. That is why Rama appreciated Hanuman. Nunam Vyakaranam Krasnam Manena Bahudhashrutam. Bahuvyaharatana Nakinchit Apashabdam. Without Apashabda, we must know how to speak in Sanskrit. Oh, Sanskrit, we cannot brand something as Sanskritam. Free from Apashabda. That is why Bharata says, Samskara Guna Sanyukta. That is Sanskritam. Samyak Jnana Prakashita. Then it is Sanskritam. That type of Vachanam is Sanskritam. It is not only Sanskritam, Bhasha is Sanskritam. If this type of culture, if you bring in Kannada, Kannada becomes Sanskritam. Tamil also becomes Sanskritam. You cannot just limit to some structures, linguistic structure, this is Sanskritam. No. Samskara Guna Sanyukta, Samyak Jnana Prakashita, Samskara Yukta, then Vividha Bharati it is. All Bharati, all type of expressions, mode of expressions, they become Sanskrita. That is why three categories, Ati Bhasha, Arya Bhasha, Bhasha, like this. Vedic language, if it is Rukha, Yaju, Samatmika, it is Ati Bhasha. Other languages, they are all Arya. Arya means not Arya Dravida, cultured. Any language, if it is properly cultured, there good, very good literatures coming, all Samskara Guna coming. See, in Kannada we have Dasa Sahitya, Sharana Sahitya, Jaina Sahitya. These are all some just like highly cultured. Can we say that Kumar, who is Kavi? Bharatam Likitavan. Huh? Just now today I referred. Lakshmisha and what is that Jaimini, Kumara Vyasa. Vyasa, Kumara Vyasa, yes. What Vyasa could enrich that knowledge? The same order, same culture that we see in Kumara Vyasa of Kannada literature. That is why it is not that we cannot confine to anything. We must have that broad, all-inclusive mind. So that in Ram, that is why here question comes. Ravana comes to Sita to talk in the middle of the darkness with all flame, holding those flame, all Rakshasas were accompanying, and comes just to win her heart. Hanuman was sitting on the top of the tree where beneath of that tree Sita Mata sitting, and Ravana comes and starts talking something. So she was replying, Trinamantartah Kritva. Just keeping a straw in front of him, she was talking. Whatever nonsense she was talking, she replied. And she tried to convince him. What is that chastity of a woman? Pativratya Mahima, what is that? What is that greatness of Bharatiya Nari? All such things, how beautifully she tells, very appropriately warns him. But that fellow is not ready to. Dharmam avekshasva sadhu vratanchara, she told him. Understand how much austerity, chastity it is followed by Indian Bharatiya Matra Shakti. I am representing that. Please be aware of all these things. That is how she warns him. She warns him. But that fellow is totally engulfed by all kama, krodha, lobha, moha. He is not ready to listen to all these things. But she told all these things to him. That is very, very important. After having heard all this, having seen this scenario most ugly, and again he warned her, just some time it is there, he warned all those security, Rakshasiya Naris, just to try to convince, if she is not convinced, to kill her. That is how he warned, gave last warning. And all these things Hanuman was witnessing sitting on the top of it. That's how it happened. There again question. Now Hanuman started. Because that blaming dialogue, everything it was going on in Sanskritam. Language was Sanskritam. But whatever culture reflected in that talking, in that dialogue, from Sita Mata it was very high dharma. Dharma Sara she was sharing with him. But that fellow, who was talking in a very uncultured manner, it was totally hopeless, negative, full of ego, full of anger, full of lust, that type of thoughts. But he was talking in Sanskritam. Is it Sanskritam? Any sentence or words or slokas, if it is full of lust, kama, krodha, lobha, such slokas also there. In the name of Subhaditam, many slokas are available in Sanskrit books. Sometimes they are hopeless culturally. That we cannot call that Sanskritam. Because it is in so-called Sanskrit language, we cannot call it Sanskritam. But if it is Gadugu Bharata in Karnataka Bhasha, Kumar Vyasa Rachita, Shivanite Rasane, Vimalarajiva Pitana Pitane, Jagakati Pamanane, Sanakadi Sajjana Nikara Tatara, Ravana Suramathana, Shravana Sudha Vinutana Kathana Karana, Kabudana Tajagava, Gadugina Veera Narayana. Is it not Sanskritam? This is Sanskritam. Why? Sanskara Guna Sanyukta, Samyak Jnana Prakashita. But Ravana's dialogue, Ravana's blaming, it is in Sanskrit language. But in that language he was talking so much adharma, most uncultured, full of lust, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, shoka, bhaya, all these negative feelings expressed by him. We cannot say that Ravana's talk it was in Sanskrit. Hanuman says, what can I do now? Can I speak in Sanskrit? Because he is so well versed in Sanskrit Bhasha, appreciated by Sri Ramachandra, without Apashabda, well versed in Vyakarana. That type of man with Vedic knowledge, he is speaking in Sanskritam, that is the real model of Sanskrit, Abhijata Sanskritam. But this is Ravana Sanskritam, Kevalam Abhimana Sanskritam, Prakrita Sanskritam, Vikrita Sanskritam. He was speaking. So that, Kinkaromi, that was the question of Hanuman. Yadi vacham pravakshyami dvijatiriva samskritam Ravanam manyamanasa Sita bhita bhavishyati. Hanuman telling this. What can I do now? Can I speak in Sanskrit? If I start speaking in Sanskrit with Sita Mata, she may feel, though some Maya be coming to kidnap me. That is what I can do with this dilemma. Slowly he is planning how to convince Sita Mata, how to win her heart. So much it is full of pathos, shokam. So with this idea, now slowly coming to approach Sita Mata. यावत् स्थास्यन्ति गिरयः सरितश्च महीतले तावद् रामायणकथा लोकेषु प्रचलिष्यति। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्याय्येन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम स्वस्ति।
Thank you for the patient listening of Sundarakanda and its beautiful intricacies. Tomorrow we'll join again with a beautiful topic. Namaste.